you're experiencing connection errors in EAFC25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off your gaming console or PC, wait for a few moments, and then turn it back on. This can help reset your connection and resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Test your internet connection. Run a speed test to ensure your internet connection is stable and meets the game's requirements. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your console or PC platform and install them to fix any bugs or connection issues. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If the problem persists, try adjusting your network settings. This may include switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection, enabling UPnP on your router, or configuring port forwarding for EA servers. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors in EAFC25. If issues continue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.